John, and me and my daughters are very excited to build a chemical reaction car. It's something I never got to do as a kid, so hope we have a blast learning together.
My name is Skylar, and I'm excited for the car in general, and I really love science, and I'm so excited, and I hope I beat my sister.
Hi, I'm Jada, and I'm excited to whoop Skylar's butt during racing because I like racing.
To fuel our car, we started with 1 cup of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. At first we tried gluing wire axles to plastic cap wheels, but the glue wouldn't hold very well. So then we tried sticking wooden dowels into foam pumpkin wheels, and that seemed to work pretty well. Rather than actually have the girls race their cars, we just wanted to see which one could go the farthest. For our first run, we folded the baking soda into a square of toilet paper, but that seemed to prevent a lot of the fuel from leaving the back of the car. Skylar's car was a little smaller than Jada's. She seemed to do better with about 2/3 of a cup of vinegar and 1/2 of a tablespoon of baking soda.
I learned that it takes time and precision to do stuff.
What I learned from this class is that even if you mess up, don't be sad. Keep trying because there's many other ways that can work.